this is Mauricio from Greenray, and I was actually just giving a small tutorial on actually how to calculate your actual wattage consumed in your fixture. What we're going to use as a calculation is going to be your volts times your amps times your power factor. And we're going to default for everything that we have to a 0.9, which is a commercial grade power factor. That will give you your actual watts when it's divided by the number of tubes or LED lights that you have in the unit. Currently, in the first scenario is actually what we have here in the office. We have a 277 T8s U-shape that are in the unit. Our actual amps on the units are 0.6. This you can find on the ballast itself. Just take a look at that and we can help with the calculation, or you can give us a call. The power factor that we're calculating is 0.9. That's what we're currently defaulting to. What we find is on T8s traditionally they're actually less, about a 0.5 or 0.65. And that will give us a total consumption of watts that are used. In this calculation, we have 277 times 0.46 times 0.9 comes out to 114.67. You divide that by the number of lamps, which comes out to 57.33. Those are the total watts consumed, and we're looking at retrofitting our location to basically having a solution which would now, with LED lights retrofit, which would be only 30 watts per lamp. The second scenario, and you'll see it on the ballast that I actually have, is a calculation that we're taking if the amperage went up to 0.7. 277s are the volts that we're using in our lights. 0.7 is a factor that we have for amperage times 0.9 gives you 174.51, and that would bring your calculation per tube. You're using 87.25 watts per tube. In addition, scenario number 3, we have a T8 unit. It has 120 watts per the unit, 0.65 on the amperage, 0.9 once again as a standard default brings you to 70.2, and dividing it against by the 2 tubes that you have is 35.1 watts per unit. So go ahead and give us a call if you have any questions, but this is how you actually calculate your wattage. Thank you.